Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ito yung ating morning. Nag-i-snow. Snowy in the city. May mga footprints na dito, guys. Sundan natin yung footprints. Papunta doon sa Diyan tayo galing. Punta tayo ng ng train station. Ay, na-snow. Na-snow. Hindi nakita yung snow, guys. Kita niyo ba yung snow? Ayan, yung snow natin. Wala ba masyadong katao-tao dito? Kasi sa parking lot. Ayan yung snowy day. Bakit papunta dito ang sasakyan. Ikot. Ayan. Lamig. Ang lamig. Mega love shout out to all the members out there. A Slice of Farming, Drivers Gala, Dance Max, Bless Girl, Cathy Journey, Hans, Ray, Carly, Dewey, All in One, Ayiyu. Sa ating 14 na members, thank you so much for all your loves. For all the friends, Sis Lori, Moclorite, Machete Vlogs, Kelly PB, Jabelino, Simply LVTV, Country, Film Living, Almin, Kaislao, and Sis Marilu, Sis Rita, Irene, Susana, Margie, Kiss. Hello everyone. Sa mga hindi ko nabanggit, pasensya na. Sis Leticia, Laperti, Alice Almanza, and look. Yan ang ganda tignan ng ng snow. Wala masyadong katao-tao. Pero yung train nandoon na yung train, kaya kailangan ko magmadali. Mega love shout out everyone. Yan na lang muna tayo, 2 minutes, kasi kailangan ko nang umakyat. Baboos! Love you all!